Hi, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to effectively clean up your smartphone from junk files that your phone accumulates over the years. Doing so will free up memory space and speed up your phone. For the uninitiated, there is a recycle bin on your phone in which some of your deleted files remain. However, this bin is often hidden in your phone and not easily accessible. Today I will show you how to delete these junk files. The number of junk files and the space you will free will depend on the number of times you perform a cleanup. I run it periodically and often have a few junk files to delete. Let's begin. Before we start, I will show you my total memory on the device. I have nearly 108 gigabytes of occupied space. The easiest recycle bin to open is the one in the gallery, where there may be photos that you had deleted. To access it, enter your gallery app, click on Settings, then on the recycle bin, then empty the trash. The process may vary slightly from phone to phone. In this way you will eliminate the junk photos. For the rest of the files it continues to follow the video. To continue, you will need to install the Total Commander app from the Play Store. Open the app and click on the three dots at the top right, then Settings, then check the Settings Show Hidden Files folders. Go back and click Internal Shared Storage. Now click the magnifying glass at the top right, remove the asterisk and write Trash. Click on Search. The files found are all junk files. Then select All Files by clicking on the three ticks, finally delete all files. We keep cleaning the phone of other unused files. With the same procedure, click on the magnifying glass at the top right, remove the asterisk, and write the word Cache. Then select all the files and delete them. Finally, you can clean your phone from backup copies. Then, with the same procedure, click on the magnifying glass, remove the asterisk, type back and search. Select all files by clicking on the three ticks and finally delete them. By doing periodic cleaning, I can keep the smartphone fast and snappy. This time I have eliminated about 5 gigabytes. If you've never cleaned up like this before, your junk files will certainly be more. Comment below by writing how much space you managed to free up. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.